If you can't sign in, don't panic. Start by confirming the email or phone linked to your Roblox account. If you remember the email or phone, go to the password reset page and choose Forgot Password or Username. Enter your email address or username, then click Submit to request a reset link. Open your email inbox or SMS messages and look for a message from Roblox with the reset link. Click the reset link, then create a strong new password that you haven't used before. Save the new password in a trusted password manager and sign in to verify access. If you don't have access to the linked email or phone, go to the Roblox support page to submit a recovery request. Choose Account Hacked or Account Recovery, then fill in your username, last known email, and date of birth if requested. Provide proof such as transaction IDs, purchase receipts, or screenshots of the account profile to speed verification. Double-check all fields, add a clear description, then submit the request and wait for a response from Roblox support. While you wait, check your email regularly and respond quickly if Roblox requests more information. If recovery still fails, contact Roblox support directly with all proof and consider enabling two-step verification once you regain access.